I've never been out of Sulphur Town, the place where I was born, except when I was in the ranks and wore a uniform. But I'd sooner never travel if the only way to see the world is through the battle sights of a Mark 4303. I've got a little baby, he's the apple of my eye. When I think about his future, my thoughts take wing and fly. What kind of future can there be with planes and tanks and guns, and flying high and dropping bombs on other people's sons? I'd like to see the whole wide world, the north, south, east, and west. I'd like to travel everywhere with the girl that I love best. But I'll stay beside the earwell all my life before I'll stand in some other country with a bayonet in my hand. I work each day upon the docks, and I watch the ships come in, and no one asks to see the color of a sailor's skin. Side by side they're working, men from Norway, China, Greece. Why can't the statesmen do the same and let us live